I hopped online, I found Fansidea.com, and I went ahead and ordered a jersey from them. This was the jersey that I wore on the field during that faithful coaching year, and it's pretty nice. I was impressed. Nice piping on it. It's got a fully twilled front logo. The letters are all hand-stitched, not hand-stitched, but they're stitched on there. Same with the coach on the back and the number 10. So let's go ahead and unbox this jersey real quick and see what we're working with. This jersey here I picked. So this is the one I picked out. It's a big palm tree print. Thought it would be cool if we had like a softball team or something. I think it would have worked. So I had them put my name on the front, professional. So here's the jersey itself. As you can see, full palm tree print. Professional there in the front. All twill stitched all the way around, which is really nice. Got my last name on the back. My number 10. And then on the arms, they actually give you an option to put a logo, which is kind of cool. So there's that. The one thing with these jerseys, they're very nice quality. I think I could play in this. It feels like a thick polyester. It's a moisture wicking material, which is really nice. So if you look at the stitching on the front, I don't know if I can get this or if I have to get some B-roll for you, but the logo itself is a printed fabric. So this orange and this purple, it's printed on there. It's a single layer fabric, and then it's twilled onto the jersey. It's a full button-up jersey. It opens all the way up. There's no branding or anything on the inside, and it opens all the way down. I don't want to unbutton it, but I know you believe me. It unbuttons all the way down just like a baseball jersey should. And like I said, I would probably wear this when I take the kids out to the ball field or something like that. I don't know how the hell I would wear this like on the street, which is the exact opposite of the second jersey that I got, which is the one I have on. This second jersey is a retro style pullover. So I don't remember if you guys remember, like back in the 70s, I think the Padres had them. Actually, I think everybody had them. They were just pullover jerseys. There was no buttons down the front. They were real thick polyester mesh, and I'm actually shocked that they were able to get this material correct, because it's not a light jersey by any means. If I was out in the sun, it'd probably be kind of hot, but it's a really nice mesh material, like the old Reebok NFL jerseys used to be, real thick mesh. I picked this one in particular not only because I like the pullover style. There's a professional logo there. What's up? Stitched onto the side, professional on the front. This one in particular had a front number, so I chose to put the front number on there. And then on the back, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got my last name and the number on there. I chose this one specifically because I like the colors, and I figured, so like I said, code BRO10 if you want to help out the channel, get yourself your own custom jersey. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Until next time, peace.